Hey y'all, Leah here with Brazen Fitness, and I want to go over the Renegade Row today. This is a tougher movement as it requires a lot of core stability, but I'm going to go over a few options, starting with a simpler or easier option and progressing into the harder option. You're going to need a set of dumbbells and probably a set that you feel pretty comfortable moving weight-wise, not too heavy. First things first is you want to get in a crawl position, hands and knees, okay? My knees are down, slightly spread so that my back is nice and flat, and my wrists, elbows, and shoulders are in line or stacked on top of one another. From here, think about pressing into one dumbbell as you drive your elbow back and row the opposite dumbbell up. Okay, if this feels a little too easy, tuck those toes under and elevate those knees, keeping the back nice and flat, pressing into the floor, rowing one dumbbell at a time. And finally, the toughest option is going to be from the push-up plank, a tall plank position. Everything else stays the same. My hands stacked directly under the shoulders. Feet are going to be slightly wider than a push-up, and that's going to allow me some stability so that I'm not shifting left and right. And as I press down into one dumbbell, rowing up, driving the elbow back with the other dumbbell. Okay? Obviously, we have some modifications, easier to tougher, and the heavier the dumbbell you use, also the harder it's going to be. So play around with it, see what works for you, and give it a go.